Crime reduction and increased order in public spaces are among the priorities for the new commanding officer for the St. James Police Division. Law-abiding citizens are also being encouraged to continue working with the police in the division, which has proven to be one of the toughest for crime fighters over the years. Janella Precious reports.
Superintendent Aaron Samuels assumes control of the St. James Police Division at a time when citizens and other stakeholders have been calling for action. The division has, in recent years, been leading the country in murders. The new commander insists he has a plan, and it includes the usage of technology to fight crime.
So we will look to expand our ops room. We'll be looking to see how best or applications can be used to impact the crime figure and investigations within the division. We believe that we can achieve a lot through teamwork. I'm sure that the stakeholders within the division will be giving us some support, and we will as well be working closely with the other agencies.
He defended that the police have also improved their investigative capacity.
The expertise of the members here is second to none. As you can see with the Shanika Gray case, we had a conviction where the accused was sentenced to life imprisonment with 50 years before parole. A lot of technology was used in that case and a lot of hard work and teamwork by the investigative team to get that done. So I believe that I have a team here that will support the initiative, and we'll be able to do what we need to do to bring crime down in St. James.
But for any plan to bear fruit, Superintendent Samuel says addressing the lawlessness in the city center is also key.
We'll be doing, again, a major rollout of our public order, and we'll be paying keen attention to the whole traffic management system in the division.
Improving the well-being of his officers and communication with residents are also on his agenda. Janella Precious, TVJ News.